Hello, little sweets, and welcome back to another episode. I'm playing Castle Cats, as you can see, and we're gonna be into this. I've been playing this for a long time, but let's see. I'm gonna play for you guys. I've played this a lot. I'm currently level 14. Hold on. Slowly. As you can see right there. Oh, okay, I got money. I don't know what that is, but I was just saying it's from me. Sorry about that. Commercials are the death of me right now. Okay. When is this gonna be over? Can this be over already? Because I don't like commercials one bit. You can go download this right now. I'm joking. I'm joking. You can download Castle Cats. No. You can download Castle Cats. It's a cool game. How this works, you got little cats here. As you can see, you can name them. Well, some of them I just stick with the names you got. This one is you can brew and make stuff out of stuff you can have. The red means you don't have them. The white means you do. Like how much you have. So, I need to get this. That's why I'm on level 14. I'm almost there. Oh, God. That's my nephew. Hold on. By the way, this little thing in the circle right there, it might go away, so never know. Okay? Oh. Hello? Oh, hi. Sorry about that. My nephew was there. Anyways, let's get to the deck of battle here. There you go. You can collect stuff from daily quests. There you go. You're weird. Anyways, this is the stuff that I have currently. Yeah. So. Alright. Let's get into this battle. When this works, you have that right there. You click on this. You see that? It has to matches that. You click on it. You can click anything you want here. I click on this. Then I will click on you. Then let the quest begins. You can read it. You can pause the video and you can read it, by the way. So I'm not gonna read this because I can't read that much. So you guys can read it. You can pause the video and you can read it. I'm going slow so you guys can read it because I might go fast. So I always tap fast. So it's going to be over quickly. Why is that cat wearing a box? That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Alright. Not the weirdest thing, but you get it. You tap on that to begin, and this happens. You have to click on that animal right there. Things on the bottom, you click them, they have special abilities. You get powers, like this. See that? You get like 17 or more levels, like waves. So this gets hard. The thing on the top, that's your energy. You can click the little potion right there, and it will fill up your energy real quick. So, see that? That's how this game works, by the way. Bam, blue. Snowflakes. Basically, this is the whole game. You just have to destroy these, basically it's like warrior cats, but different. They don't have abilities, and they don't look like this, but, you know. And they don't fight you all with that has a loose leg, like a zombie leg. I don't know. I'm on level 5 right now, so. You can tap fast if you can. you can actually get items and say bonus loot. You can get them from killing these. So yeah. Oh god dang it. Alright, hold on. Hi Jace. That's my nephew. What? Hold on. What? I'm doing a battle here. What are you doing? Okay, here. That's my nephew, by the way. Sorry. He wants food. Take him on. In. What was on yours? Chase, come on. Oh, she can see him right now. He's adorable. Kind of just. Oh, wait. There you go. There you go. What? Okay. Anyways, back to the game. As you can see, we're winning right now. Yeah, we're winning. And you see that? My little going off here. Make them all? You have out of energy. You just have to click that. Use potion. Fills up real quick. He's looking at me like, what are you doing? He's eating the strawberries. He loves those so much. I don't know why, but me too. I love them so much too, so I can't blame him. See all those things right there? And the other thing, new adventure things, it can help you. Like that potion, the green one, it makes you go fast. That thing, it shoots out arrows to hit him. To hit this animal here. And that little thing with the arrows, it goes up and then goes straight down to him. And I think it constantly ends the life for me. I don't know. It works. Good 20 iron, fabric 9, and coins that much. Okay. Oh, there you go. I won. And if you get to the boss level, it has wings there, so that's how it works. So, anyways, return to the guild. You click on this, you get loot. And your little cat can level up, and so can you. How to level up? You have to fight in a battle to get your thing up. So you can read it. You can read this. So go ahead. I don't know why a bunny will have a scar. Okay. Mom. I'm not your mom, but what? Sorry, that's the only word he can know. What? You want to get up? Okay, I don't. Here. No. Come here. Hi. Mama. I think he's growling or snoring. Mom. Not your mom, but what? Yeah. He's a toddler, by the way. I don't know how much he is. He can walk. A what? Anyway, this is to get more cats. I don't want to waste my money, but I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. This is the magic box. It gives you legendary ones. You see that? This is what you get. I mean, it's not perfect, but you know, this one, you get like a rare one. So you click on that, get that. Sit all my money on that. Oh my god. The thing when it eats all my money. Oh, I got an old dog. Okay. Well, cat. God damn it. Go to new. Hold on. It's the new ones. New ones. Yeah. These are the ones you don't have, by the way. Oh, sorry about that. That's my notifications. I get notifications every day. I'm gonna go to another battle. It's like fun doing this. It's fun. These are the quests you can have. The one means that you only get one wave, and the enemies you get has like slight sliver of health, and it's easier to defeat. So I'm gonna you can see here. You're gonna see. Oh, there it is. Okay. It's curly, like right there. See that? I mean, just what? I always let her beat it. Let her beat it. Just look at this. Look at this power. Awesome. That's what it does when you see one. So that's a little heads up there. So I'm gonna. He's currently just hitting the door. Anyways. Oh, what? See, that's for me. See that? It's kind of going up. You can actually decorate your character there. You can name your character. I mean, Moonstar, like Warrior Cats. That's me right there, walking around. You can just customize your. Click on customize your character there. You can put it eyes different color and change your tail there, like your patterns. I keep it that way. Your tails, put a poofy if I want to. Some of them they're locked, like the hold on. Some of them are locked like that, so you can't really get it. You have to get on the higher level in order to get them. This one I have currently. Because I like this better, because it's like more mysterious. You can change your weapons. These are the only 3 you can get. So, yeah. These are the ones you can just do this. They're locked currently. You have to get 300 of chocolate bunnies and that in order to get it. So. Oh, god damn it. God damn you, notification. Stop it. Sorry. So this is all I have for today. And hopefully if you want a part 2 of this game, leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. Anyways, bye, and see you in the next